How to fix Instagram ad payment method not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for Instagram, and make sure the application is updated to its latest version. Also, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. Now, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Scroll down and under the Your Orders and Fundraisers tab, you will see the See Orders and Payments option. Tap on that. Now, go ahead and delete your existing payment method and add some other form of payment method. Instagram supports credit or debit cards, PayPal in supported countries, and Facebook Pay. Also, make sure to check your region or country. Some payment features only work in specific regions. Make sure your Instagram account and payment info are set to the same country. So these were a few fixes for how you can fix Instagram ad payment not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.